what goodie always, but with the banger. And I've been recording on the iPad. That's really all I have. I got cameras and all that, but it don't work on my mom's computer. But look, I've been trying for a couple days to upload and all that, and it hasn't been working. I've been making basketball uploads. I actually been editing my videos. I made a BB gun video yesterday that turned off by itself. I'm just hoping that none of this happens. But look, I did an unboxing video on this. Couldn't upload that. It just said error of uploading. It's already loaded. You can tell from the red dot. I had this gun for like 3 months now, because that video never uploaded. Because if y'all saw the BB gun checkup vid, y'all want to know I had this. But look, I'm going to shoot this at this box right here. It's a fan, and there's a circle of the fan. There's holes in there already from yesterday, and I'll show y'all that too. But look, let's shoot it. I'm going to shoot it without the suppressor and with the suppressor. Let's get it. Let's see where I hit it. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. It didn't go through, but it's stuck in there. Look. What the fuck? Yeah, bro, you see that? Oh, check it out. Hold on, y'all. That's cool. You even just put a little dent through. Like, I'm trying to push that out. Oh, it came out. I don't know where it went. Y'all can see the hole though. That was cool. Okay, but look, here's the other spots where I shot yesterday. Right there. Then I hit somewhere else, but I can't find that. But look. I'm going to do this again. Now I'm shooting with a suppressor now. That's good. It's harder to aim with a suppressor. It's so hard. Because this big thing's up in the sight. Right there. I'm going to start trying to get like fireworks. This is actually a mini vlog. I'm going to be doing like, I was going to say like, as you see in the title, there's like BB gun and like basketball, mini hoops, whatever you want to call it, vlog. I'm just going to do both because I have not been able to upload. I want to give y'all extra. So let's go. I already showed y'all my mini hoop, but here's the suppressor. Right there. Yeah, bounce right back at me. I think the suppressor makes it weaker, but yeah. I'm gonna show y'all where I did that. It's probably not gonna be anywhere because it bounced right back at me. But let's see if we can find like a dent or something. Oh yeah, I see where it hit. It's so hard to find these because look, all those little pieces of that fan. I hit it right there. I hit a dent. Maybe dent. I like it better without this. I got some glow in the dark BBs and some normal blue BBs, but I like with the glow in the dark ones because I already ran out of all the regular ones. Is this loaded? What happens if I shoot it like this where half of it's loose? I'm gonna try that. I hit the middle, y'all. Oh, perfect. It bounced right back. Look. Okay. Now I'm gonna stick without the suppressor. Bow, bow. Oh, I saw it. It flew right back at me. Like it bounced right back. I'm gonna shoot the whole clip now. Let me see how much is left. I'm gonna pour some out and I'm gonna shoot the whole clip. We got see-through clips, by the way. And I'm gonna show y'all the clip and all that. I got 2 of them. Left the other one up here. Okay, I got the Blizzy. I'm gonna talk hot dogs on that. 2 clips, 1 gun. Y'all probably don't want to know all this, but look, I'm gonna shoot the whole clip. I'm gonna show you where I hit. I hit all. You can also store some in the back, right there. Like, yeah, that's pretty cool. I like to just put them in like this. That spraying sometimes gets annoying because it would just bounce up sometimes. It's like so weird. Like I ain't even gonna count. But one time though, all just said and it all just flew back and hit me in the eye. It hurt. I stopped my friend and oh, see what I mean? Some of them are actually flying out already. Well, I'm just gonna shoot that. What's left of that? Now I have to get all these BBs. I just came from outside and I'm kind of cold because I was bouncing on my trampoline and it's pouring outside. And like, oh my gosh, they're all falling off again. And it's like pouring outside. And the trampoline was wet. That gives you more bounce and all that, but I did a little quirk and I slipped and now I'm soaked. These legging things are wet and it's freezing. I'm just gonna leave this all on the ground. I don't even like to do videos outside. I just like staying. Either way, it is raining, so I'm shooting. It ain't going through. I'm gonna shoot it with one hand. I'm gonna put myself in the frame. Woo! Let's try the suppressor, actually, y'all. I'm really looking forward to saving up to get a vlogging camera. Because I really want to become like a good, big, famous YouTuber. So, I'm starting off with the iPad, that's all. I had a GoPro I recorded on, but I tried to edit that because I was in the pool. Because I had a thing on. This just went through when I was all the way back. Where'd it go through at? You know what? I'll pay attention to that after this clip is done. That one didn't go through. That's it. Yeah, that was it. So, I'm gonna show y'all where I hit all that. Okay. There's a lot of holes. Yeah. Oh, I hit one down there. Wow, okay. Now it's time for, I guess, the basketball. So I'm only gonna try to make this like a 12-minute video, not long. I'm trying to make some of my vids quick, y'all. But look. Yeah, in my hair looking kind of crazy. I took these plait things I had out. It was like boxer brief plaits. It looks like boxer brief. Okay. I got this ball, or I got this ball. I'm like a mini hoop king, I'm just kidding. But look. Yeah. I'll stick with this one because that's the one that came with me. Oh, I didn't even make that dunk, y'all. I'm rusty. Green. Oh my, that was a brick. Green. Oh. Oh my. I suck. I used to play this every day. Oh, y'all, I actually got injured doing a video like this. It was just a mini hoop. Oh. Let me turn my lights on so y'all can see how I got injured. Look. Y'all might not be able to see. Here, let me get the light. There's a big old bruise right there. Immediate bruise. I slammed that thing so hard. I even put a dent in the wall. So when I slammed like this, I came down and smacked my elbow against that. But look. Green. I'm about to hit a whole 360. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, bruh. I messed up. Yeah, I ain't good. Green. Oh, bruh. I suck, y'all. Oh. I had this mini hoop out 2-3 years. Woo! I'm trying to jump up. I ain't gonna do no windmills. I can't do one. I'm gonna try to jump up. Back to the other hand. It's like, I didn't even jump. Here, 360 though. Oh! Oh my! That almost just killed you. Bro! If I can actually make one green. Got the rebound. My neck's kind of jacked up. I'm breathing so hard. You know what? It's going to stay like that. That's how you know I'll be splashing them. Because when the neck gets wrapped around, that's how you know you always be making them. I'm putting my whole arm in the rim, like in the box. Put my whole arm in the rim. That ain't funny. Yeah, I can't even shoot that. I can do it. I just don't want to pull my basketball down. Green. Oh crap. Ooh. So I do 2 hands and 1 hand. I only like doing 1 hand. Oh! I'm so far off. Green. God! Green. Oh! I can't even make that! That was a green all day. Green. Man, hold up. Green. Okay, I'm using an ugly jump shot, like 2K. Green. I'm just gonna do a regular jump shot, not something like this. This is my jump shot. Okay, I'm gonna do a 360 now. Let's go! Woo! Boom! Okay, here I go. Well, I'm gonna just say, boom! Okay, now I'm gonna do a 360 with 2 hands. I suck. I'm gonna keep trying though. Ending this video until I get this 360. This is gonna be a long one. Let's go. I'm gonna do a cool trick now. I have to think of one. Like maybe an alley-oop. I'm gonna try the windmill, see what I can do with that. I'm just gonna do an alley-oop. Bang! Or alley-oop 360. Let me try on my alley-oop first. Okay, I'm gonna do an alley-oop 360. I'm struggling though. That was a bad one. Ah! For real though. Oh, bruh. No, not too hard. I'm just trying to get this over. I'm just gonna count that. Thank y'all for coming to this video. It's been like 13 minutes. Not what I wanted, but thank y'all for coming to the Huntman NYNW channel. And see you in the next video. Bye.